Guys, if you want to share your Android mobile screen on your another Android mobile, then this video is just for you. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So to share your Android mobile screen on your another Android mobile, then just go to the Google Play Store and install this screen share application on both of your Android mobiles. Now open this application on both of your Android mobile. So I am going to share this mobile screen on this one. So click on share which screen you want to share. Then allow remote assistance by clicking on this start button. Now click on assist on your another mobile. Now enter this share code on your second device. Guys, I have already paired my device. So that's why it's showing share code on the second device. But you will have to type it here. Now click on connect. Now click on allow on your first device. Here it is. Your Android mobile screen is shared on your other Android mobile. So guys, this is how you can share your Android mobile screen on your other Android mobile. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.